Hey guys, Paulo here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a treasure chest that contains such a rich history of gaming. I'm talking about the Kinhank 12TB hard drive. Yep, 12 terabytes, a colossal collection that spans decades of video games across countless systems. But instead of just rattling off specs and numbers, I want to share with you what makes this product genuinely extraordinary for me. So let's get started. Before we dive deeper, I want to introduce you to the company behind this amazing hard drive, Kinhank. Kinhank is a passionate team dedicated to preserving the golden age of gaming. They've made it their mission to bring the joy of classic games to modern audiences. Whether you're a seasoned gamer who grew up with these titles or a newcomer eager to explore gaming history, Kinhank has something for you. They specialize in creating retro gaming consoles and accessories that are easy to use and packed with features. Their products aim to replicate the authentic gaming experience, combining nostalgia with modern convenience. What's really impressive is how Kinhank seamlessly integrates multiple gaming systems into single user-friendly devices. From handheld consoles to powerful hard drives like the 12TB model that we're exploring today, they make accessing a vast library of games straightforward and enjoyable. I've included a link to their website in the description below. I encourage you to check them out to see the full range of products they offer. Their commitment to quality and the gaming community is truly commendable. So a big shout out to Kinhank for making such incredible products and allowing me to review this product here today. First and foremost, this hard drive isn't just about storage. It's a vault, a museum, a digital archive of our gaming heritage. Imagine having access to the entire legacy of video games, from the pixelated charm of the Atari era to the groundbreaking titles of recent years. It's all here, meticulously organized and ready to be explored. Games are more than just entertainment. They're a reflection of our culture, our technological advancements, and our shared experiences. With this hard drive, you can revisit the classics that shaped the industry and discover hidden gems you might have missed along the way. Here's how I use this incredible archive. Think of the Kinhank 12TB hard drive as the mothership, and all your handheld and emulation devices, this hard drive feeds them all. Whenever I get a new retro handheld like the ones you can find linked below, I simply connect it to the mothership and transfer whatever games I need for that specific occasion. This setup allows me to carry my favorite games anywhere, anytime. Whether I'm commuting, traveling, or just chilling on the couch, I have instant access to this massive library. And the best part, these handhelds are super affordable and available all over Amazon. If you're interested, check out the links in the description below because purchasing it through those links supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and I truly appreciate your support. Speaking of portability, the Kinhank drive itself is surprisingly compact. Despite housing such an enormous collection, it's just a standard external hard drive that you can slip into your bag. Plug it into any Windows laptop, you're good to go. This means your entire gaming library is as mobile as you are. Visiting a friend, bring the hard drive along and relive some multiplayer classics. Heading out on a trip, all you need is a compatible device and you have endless entertainment at your fingertips. Also to note, I've asked Kinhank if it's possible to take the hard drive out of its enclosure and put it directly into a NAS, a network attached storage, or directly into a desktop computer, and they've confirmed that it will work seamlessly as if it's an extra hard drive in your system. This is a huge added bonus if you want to have a very speedy boot up process or you want to just access those games as fast as possible. They confirm that you can just simply integrate into your system and you're good to go. Now, here's a bonus feature that I absolutely love. Community-made games like M.U.G.E.N. If you haven't heard of it, M.U.G.E.N is a customizable fighting game engine that allows fans to create their own characters, stages, and even gameplay mechanics. Imagine pitting characters from different universes against each other like a showdown between anime heroes and comic book legends. It's like Super Smash on a whole new level. The creativity and passion poured into these games are incredible, and having them included in this collection is a delightful surprise. Let's quickly go over some of the features that makes this hard drive stand out. First is its massive library, thousands upon thousands of games from various consoles and generations. User-friendly interface allows you to easily navigate and find the games you love. Versatile compatibility works seamlessly with Windows PCs and a variety of emulation devices. And of course, regular updates from the community itself. They often release updates and patches, ensuring that your library stays current. Everything is pre-configured, so you don't have to be a tech wizard to get started. Just plug and play and enjoy. One additional thing that Kinhank confirmed was that they provide a 1-year warranty so that if anything happens to your hard drive, whether it's failure or all the games that you have were lost for whatever reason, simply reach out to Kinhank and they'll take care of you. So there you have it, the Kinhank 12TB hard drive. It's more than just storage. It's a celebration of gaming history, a convenient hub for all your devices, as well as a gateway to unique community creations like M.U.G.E.N. If you're passionate about gaming like I am, this is a must-have. It has rekindled my love for classics and introduced me to new experience I never knew existed. Before we wrap up though, I want to give a shout out to TechDweeb's channel. His content inspired me to delve into retro gaming and explore this hard drive in the first place. If you're into tech and gaming, definitely check him out. I've linked his channel down in the description below. Don't forget to look at the links below for handheld devices as well. As I mentioned, your support means the world to me and it helps keep the channel going. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gamers. And subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what games you're most excited about to play from this collection. Until next time, see ya.